Hello, my fellow mermaids and mermen. Today we have a very special video. It is Miss Priya K's nails birthday. I am jumping through the screen with excitement. As you guys know, the Charm Sisters are everything to me, and one of my fellow Charm Sisters, Miss Priya, it's her birthday. Her birthday just passed on Monday, and you know, for Love Month and for Priya's birthday, we had to bust out the Amour Tints and do a very special birthday set for a very special mermaid. So let's get into all of the magic. First off, before this mermaid starts splish splashing, this is a collab video. So please run on over to Priya and to MamaDoesNailz. Their YouTubes will be linked down below, and make sure you check out their videos. Now, with February being Love Month, we were so excited to do this collaborative project because we all got sent gorgeous colors from the Amour Tints bundle. So I will be featuring all of the goodies from Amour Tints. The only colors I wasn't able to feature in this video were the glitter formula, but I used every single cream. So we used 5 of the Amour Tint colors, and I am so in love with this pink fantasy, this mermaid paradise. So right now we are creating gorgeous pink sand that you can put your toes and fins into, and the most darling deep blue sea for how deep my love is for Miss Priya. We had to go deeper than the Marianas Trench, y'all. So for some backstory, the beautiful Priya came into my life 3 years ago, and it's so crazy to even say that because it feels like just yesterday, but in same moments it feels like years and lifetimes ago because we've all been through so much together, and it's truly strengthened our bond like insane amounts. But the beautiful Priya, it is so funny. So we actually first met in a live, and I kept seeing this LK Beauty come up, and I really thought it was IK Beauty, and she never corrected me. She was like the sweetest angel. She would pop on and just say the most wonderful things, and I don't know how to describe it, but it's like my spirit took to her instantly, and already her and Mama had a bond because they were both from the UK. And I just thought, you know what, this beautiful human keeps on popping up during the lives, and I want to send her a DM and message her, and that's really how this friendship started. And then it was like a house on fire. The Charm Sisters were forged, and there was just something insane about the connection that Priya, Mama, and Envy and myself had. It was just like you can't cultivate that. It just happens organically. And then we met so many other sisters, and this family was built and forged, and I just felt so blessed, and I feel blessed every single day to be a part of this community. But when we are such a huge community, we've got to celebrate when one of our own, it's their birthday. So this whole collab was just supposed to be a big love project for Miss Priya, just for us to say how much we love her. And in Mama's video, she busts out the whole song and sang to Priya. And I'm proud to say I did send a private message and sang to her, but I don't want to break anybody's eardrums up in here. But I just wanted to say the warmest birthday wishes to Miss Priya. I am forever changed having you in my life as a best friend and sister, and every day that I get to spend learning more about you and cultivating a strong, beautiful relationship is just everything to me. You've always been more than a friend. You've been a sister. My family, an unwavering support. Honestly, Priya, I feel so blessed to call you my family, and every time I get a voice note from you or that I can bond with you, because again, you are a mermaid, and that comes to what we're creating today. Honestly, out of the million of different topics I've had with beautiful Priya, which we are both true crime junkies, so we just get splish splashing about all sorts of things. But we also bonded over the fact that we're both mermaids. So we may have come from different sides of the ocean, but we swam together and for sure found one another. And she is definitely a part of my pod. So I wanted to create the most majestic mermaid nails for my beautiful sister Priya. And I pray that you love this set. I put my heart and soul into this, and I just wanted to create something to make you feel as special as everyone in your life does on a daily basis, because you are literally such a huge light and a blessing to everyone that is around you. You swim into, because you don't walk into the door, you swim, mer girl, you swim. But when you walk into a room, it's forever changed, and I am forever changed to call you my sister. I love you so very much, and I pray you love this set. I created this using goodies from the Amour Tints, as I was saying earlier. I also took goodies from the Easter egg from last year. Also used special effect top coats like Dalmatian to create the pink sand. And we can't forget about the gorgeous dimension we created in the sand using Lilac Lace. This tail would not have been the same without I Rule and the gorgeous colors from Amour Tints. So I am just going to get into all of the magic, but if you haven't been able to wish Priya a happy birthday, run on over to her socials on her Instagram, her TikTok, her YouTube, and send her the warmest wishes. The rest of this will be a watch me work, but if you'd like a more detailed video on how I created this gorgeous tail, just comment down below, and we can either do a live or do a more dedicated video to 3D nail art. But with Madam Glam's delicious PolyGel, creating this masterpiece was so very easy and just so fun. So we are going to be doing some finishing touches with I Rule and the white gel paint. And truly, after all of the finishing touches, put these on my phalanges so the masterpiece can come into true fruition. Thank you so very much for coming into today's very special birthday collab for Miss Priya Case Nails. And please run on over and wish the birthday mermaid the best, the warmest birthday wishes. I am sending my beautiful nail family so much love and light. Thank you for watching this project. I had so much fun creating. And if you have any ideas or anything you'd like to see on the channel, please comment down below. I love you all from the bottom of my mermaid heart. Now I'm swimming on over there and giving you guys the warmest hugs. Mwah! Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.